life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror.
Oh yeah, big guy shit. That boy DeeEntrepreneur could do something like that. Yeah, that shit hard. Yeah, sir. I want me a boat. Man, what's the price? You want the boat? What is the price of the boat? Can D get a boat? I think we can get the boat. Coming to St. Croix. Guy want the boat. The boy said hook and cook.
Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay.
This right here is hard. To the right, y'all. This thing is hard. Right here. But we got the boat and the boat. The boat and the boat.
So many differences in each of us. Trust your...
How long did it take to get to Colombia from here on the boat?
Every day.
5 days?
All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
One day I'm gonna get on your level. One day. That's that great retired life. Oh, we tripping. Man, we walking. Hey, we walking all past these folks' houses and stuff. Oh, so we got to drive around probably. Yeah, this, what they call it? The father's son. Dang. Yeah, man, look down there, look. It is going down on this boat. Oh, D, look at that right here. Oh, this is it right here. Oh, y'all see that? Yes, sir.
Body on this one, the colors and everything.
Right here?
This gray one.
Nah, this thing right here, too hard. Right there. He said he don't want his thing touch. He don't want this thing touching the water.
Invincible. Do not play with him. That's the name of his boat.
Oh, so this is his shit.
This is
His shit. So he bought that with his boat.
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You're a smart, rich man. Hey, but I ain't gonna lie. If I could get something like on this size though, man, this is it though. This is it. Man, all these boats got the TV. Look, they got a Garmin too, Sap. Sap, my man said 5 days to Colombia from here on the boat. That is dope. That's it. This guy right here. He done rode this boat to Colombia from St. Croix. He said that's a 5-day trip. Nice. Man, hey, you know, like while we playing, like, look, there's some people in there asleep right now, like, living in there, yeah. Just like the dude we just passed, you feel me? What'd you say? Man, he's going down in the boat. Yeah. Look, for sale, right here. That might have to be something I might have to start out with, man, try to upgrade, man. You know what I'm saying? Something like this. Something like that. Man, you can still go in there a little bit to it. Yeah. Yeah. I ought to start with something like that. I wonder what's the price on the boat. That right there, y'all. DeeEntrepreneur can start with something like that. What y'all think? What y'all think, man? Y'all comment below. What y'all think is the price of that boat? You feel me? Because we gonna try it. One day. Excuse me, sir. Let me ask you a question. On average, about like this boat right here, what's about the price on the boat like this? Okay.
1969. So,
Y'all heard that? 1969. Okay.
Chris Craft Commander. So this boat, right at 50 grand.
About 50 grand?
50 grand. Some of these, like the cat there and the cat there, you're looking anywhere 100 to 120.
Right here?
Yeah, the catamaran there.
Okay.
And then if you go big boy over there, the
Right? You're looking at 600 or 700 grand for that big boy over there. But somewhere right here,
sailboats anywhere between, depending on the condition and the age, 25 to 90, 100 grand for most of the sailboats like this.
like this.
Holds, yeah,
Okay.
probably be about 70, 75.
Sir, would you mind going to my YouTube page?
No?
Can I get your name?
Yeah, Dave.
Dave?
Yep.
That's what's up. Nice to meet you, Dave. My name is Donnell, aka DeeEntrepreneur.
Nice.
It's nice to meet you, Dave.
Nice to meet you.
Man, you live here?
Live here part-time, yeah.
Okay.
I have an apartment up that I jump back and forth, so.
Man, that's cool, Dave.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about. I love it out here.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I love it.
You always get this breeze, it's quiet, no chickens. Everywhere else on St. Croix, you got chickens waking you up at 3 a.m.
That's true. Do you know about what year is this boat right here?
That one was built, I believe, in the early 2000s, I believe.
Early 2000s, and you said about 100 and.
Yeah, it sold just last year, and I think it was right around like 100, 110 maybe, I think.
I'm coming for something like you want. I'm coming. I'm coming. When I retire with my trucking company, I'm on my way.
You can run things from here. I work from home all the time, so.
Babe, you heard that?
Internet.
Okay, I'm gonna let you know. The internet. Thank you, Dave. They're ready to go eat. Thank you, Dave. You have a good one, Dave. Thank you for everything. I just learned something. I'm coming for the boat. I say about 125,000, 150,000. That's gonna be around the price of my boat. I can see it. Dave just made me a believer. Shout out to Dave. Dave is going all on my YouTube channel. Shout out to him. He just gave me some inspiration. What? I'm so sorry. Y'all in the rest. Y'all can leave me. I'm so sorry. Hey, y'all heard what the price of the boats was. And I showed y'all what the price of that mega yacht was over there. Man, that's high. That's high. Whoever got that, shout out to that person. But I think 100,000, we could do something like that one day. What? Don't play. DeeEntrepreneur is coming. Shout out to Dave. Now we just gave y'all a little boat tour. Hey, y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Make sure you follow your boy DeeEntrepreneur, man. We are blogging out here in St. Croix. The Virgin Islands, baby.
Everybody follow me to
Racetrack.
Don't worry, cause we go with you.
Hey.
Racetrack, gas station and convenience.
But I ain't never heard nothing like that in my life, man. Racetrack got a damn commercial. Y'all heard that? Racetrack out here in St. Croix. Holla back at y'all in a second. DeeEntrepreneur. Yeah. I'm a money machine. I'm a money machine.